Take a standard 20-word English sentence. On the surface, it seems simple enough. But if you assign every word its 45 possible grammatical tags, you uncover a staggering amount of hidden data. Finding the exact right grammatical sequence means checking over 1 undecillion possible combinations. That is a 1 followed by 33 zeros. If you tried to process that data by checking every single path blindly, the math breaks down. Even a massive supercomputer would need billions of years to finish the task. This mathematical nightmare is a combinatorial explosion. It rendered early artificial intelligence blind to human language because machines could not process sequences through brute force. Yet today, your smartphone transcribes your spoken text messages in a fraction of a millisecond. Engineers bypassed this impossible maze by using a mathematical detour instead of building bigger computer chips with more raw power. Predicting reality requires bridging a gap between what we observe and the invisible truths happening beneath the surface. It is like a detective following muddy footprints. The prints are obvious, but the suspect's actual path remains a mystery. To bridge this gap, engineers rely on the Hidden Markov Model. It is an engine designed to solve the mystery using strict probability rather than human intuition. The engine uses 2 distinct pillars. The first is emission probability. This measures the exact chance that a hidden state results in a specific observable word. By scanning historical data, the model calculates how often a specific hidden tag, like a verb, produces a word like Google. The artificial intelligence does not possess an understanding of English grammar. It scores the tangible evidence on the page against the raw mathematical frequency of its historical models. Human communication flows in a continuous, rhythmic sequence where words and data points influence one another. This diagram illustrates the second pillar, transition probability. It tracks the likelihood of one hidden state following another. Notice how trailing connections simply disappear. This is the Markov assumption. The system ignores the distant past, looking only at the immediate previous state. By weaving transition and emission probabilities together, the system dynamically updates its beliefs with every incoming word. It creates a localized, accurate map of the sequence. Even with these localized rules, scoring every possible path still results in those 1 undecillion combinations. Probability alone does not defeat exponential growth. The engine requires a mechanism to destroy suboptimal paths before they can multiply. That mechanism is a mathematical shortcut known as the Viterbi algorithm. Instead of checking every path blindly, the Viterbi algorithm processes the data 1 step at a time. At each point in the sequence, it keeps only the absolute best mathematical route to each hidden state. The split second it finds a superior route, it immediately discards the weak branches before they multiply into an impossible maze. This dynamic programming shrinks an exponential curve into a simple calculation. Tasks taking lifetimes now finish in a millisecond. By utilizing the Viterbi algorithm, programmers proved that machines could conquer time complexity through elimination rather than raw calculation. This specific probability sequence drives applications across the modern world. When you speak to a voice assistant, the acoustic audio waves entering the microphone are the observable footprints. The machine uses this logic to guess the hidden spoken words in real time. In finance, algorithms use daily stock prices and trading volumes as visible data points. They decode these sequences to identify hidden market regimes, like bull or bear shifts. By mastering the rules of sequential probability, modern technology decodes the hidden structures of our world. It proves that elegance in design is more powerful than brute force.